All right. Welcome to this video. And in this video, I'll be showing us how you can make a whooping sum of $1,326 per day with this coloring book. This niche is an amazing one, reason being that we are approaching the Halloween season as far as the Q4 is concerned, right? So I spotted this niche and I want to give it to you for free. Okay, so you can go and create book in this niche and make money for yourself immediately. What is the keyword that I'll be giving us at the course of this video? If you go to Amazon store and type little spooky coloring book for adult, you will see that the search result for this is just 1,000. And as my rule of thumb, I go for search result from 1,000 downward. And the reason why I'll be considering this coloring book niche is because the demand is crazy. The demand is crazy, and all of these guys are self-publisher, you know, meaning it is not companies, right? It's like individuals like you and I publishing book on this niche and making crazy money for themselves. The number one book here is published or was published on the 21st of August 2024, and it's independently published, meaning just somebody like you and I published that book. And if you go down, you see a whole lot of other books that have been independently published by this same person, by this same person. So how do we get into this and make this money for ourselves? That is exactly what I'll be showing you at the course of this video. And I want you to stick around to the end, because if you stick around to the end, I'll be giving you the prompt that you use for this. And if you look at this niche, one of the amazing thing about this niche is that the PSR is massively low. Imagine a book having 43 PSR. That book will be making crazy amount of money. So you see that the book beam software that I'm using here is already giving us a hint of how much this author is making per day. This author is making $1,221 per day, and is making a sales of 385 to 878 sales per day, right? So I use this free website called Canva, to calculate this, to have a clear insight on how much particular book is making. So if you look at this book has just 88 pages. This book just has 88 pages, and one of the amazing thing about this book is that the author is selling it at a rate of $7.99, and it's black and white. It's black and white, and this is the amount of money this author is making per month, which is um $39,798 per month. That's crazy. That's crazy. So let's open this book to see the interior. Probably we'll be able to get inspiration on how we can go about publishing this book for ourselves. So if you scroll to the plus content, where the author tried to sell the idea of what a book is to prospective customer, you will see that the idea about this book is simple and straightforward, right? And I've been able to generate prompts that you'll be using to get similar outlines, similar coloring pages like this. So all you just have to do is to drop a comment and say, send me the prompt, and I will send it directly to your email so that you can use this prompt for yourself. But when I send it to you, all you just have to do is to tweak the prompt a little so that it doesn't end up giving similar images, because a whole lot of persons will be asking for this prompt at the course of this video or at the end of this video. So that all of you will be able to have something that is different from each other, right? So here is the concept. Look at the images, the kind of images that are in this coloring book. So these are stuff that you can do for yourself, easily. So I went to ChatGPT and I was able to get, prompt. I prompted ChatGPT until it was able to give me something that solved this problem. So for you to be able to generate coloring pages of sort, just go to CapCut. And when you come to CapCut, click on what? Magic Tools. And when you click on Magic Tools, you scroll down to where it says text to image. Text to image. So when you click on the text to image, it will take you to this, and then all you just have to do is to add this prompt. So draw a cute ghost sipping tea on a cozy chair. wrap in a blank wrap in a blanket, right? So you just add coloring pages at the end of that prompt, and then you continue with thick outline, no shading, white background, and immediately it will give you something like this. And from here, you move to Canva and start developing the coloring book, right? So the first page of your coloring book is your title page. So for your title page, you can do something like this. Just write a normal text, and when you are done writing the text, you come to effects, because many of you will be asking, how was I able to achieve this holo features, for the text. Just come to effects, and when you click on effect, you see what holo. So if I remove it from holo, it will look like this, right? So I use holo so that even this title page can still be followed by my readers, right? So that was what I did. And then the subtitle section, you can say with depending on the number of coloring image that you generate. If yours is 85, you say with 85 plus, with 85 colorful, um, awesome illustrations and all of that. And then this other section, you put your copyright information and then your pen name and your disclaimer. So the page two is this page belongs to page, and you inside a section where the reader can write their name and then the tweets that they got the book and all of that. And then your page three should be how to use this coloring page, so that you can use this opportunity to educate your readers on how exactly they should use this coloring page to get the best experience for themselves. And then the page four should be test your color here. So you put boxes like this, so that the readers can, test their colors to know exactly how it will look like before using it on their coloring book. So the first page, the number page five, is where you start inserting the images that you have generated from code. And as a matter of fact, if you look at this image, if you look at this page here, I decided to screenshot. I decided to screenshot this. I screenshotted this and then took it to CapCut, so that I'll see whether CapCut will be able to model that for me, and it was able to model this out for me. So you can try it out for yourself as well. So as you are pasting the prompt, you put the kind of image that you want CapCut AI to generate for you. And as a matter of fact, you can generate up to 4 images on a go, right? So you can generate up to 4 images on a go. You don't have to do this use 2 images so that it will be faster. But when you're about doing this, you can use up to 4 number of images that will be generated per time for you. So you can do this and always use this square-like structure, so that it will give you something that looks like this, and it won't be difficult for you to edit and all of that. So you see square, use this square ratio, square aspect ratio. So you go on to design all of this. You insert your image, and then the number six, the page six should be blank, right? So you can leave it blank without any text on it like this. But I'm trying to educate my readers why I left this page blank. So I say this page was left blank, so your paint from the previous page gets blurred on the next coloring page, right? So you do that, and then your page seven, you insert your image. Your page eight, you insert your image. Sorry, your page eight, you leave it blank. Your page nine, you insert your image, and you continue like that until you get to the last page of your coloring book. And as soon as you are done, you move on to publish the book. It is that simple. It is that simple. So if you want to watch the detailed video on how to design your cover page, just go to my channel, this same channel, and search out for the playlist on how to design your cover page, and have a video on how to do that using AI as well. And then if you want to learn how to use it to generate the keywords that you use at the 7 back end section, so that you can be ranking like these guys. There's also another video that I do on how to do keyword research and all of that. And as a matter of fact, this book, you can publish it on other languages, because it's not only English speaking people that are getting in contact with this book. There are people that speak, that there are Spanish speakers, Japanese speakers, Chinese speakers that want to have this book for themselves. So you can make this book in other languages, and I have a video that shows you exactly how to accomplish all of that. So if you want to do that, just go to my YouTube, this same channel, and check the playlist. There is a playlist that is dedicated to publishing book on other languages, so you can use the concept there and do it for yourself, right? So I think that's that. And if you find this video helpful, just give it a thumbs up and then subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. And I'm giving a whole lot of value on this channel. And in the next video that I'll be uploading, you get to learn other strategy that you can use to publish high quality book and highly profitable books that will make you crazy amount of money per day and per month. So if you want to be getting update on any of this video, do well to subscribe so that you won't be left out. And I appreciate all my subscribers. I appreciate you guys. It has been an amazing journey, and just keep praying that God give me the grace to keep sharing, crazy updates like this, because it's a massive update. And I believe if you implement what you are learning on this channel, you'll go a long way to make money for yourself. And see you in the next video. And thank you for watching this video to this extent. And thank you, my subscribers, and thank you for the new subscribers I'll be getting at the end of this video as well. Yeah, so see you guys in the next video. Thank you.